This is why you're struggling to understand Spanish when they're speaking it to you, especially when they're speaking it fast. One of the most frustrating things when you're learning Spanish is when someone's talking to you and having a conversation with you, it can be really frustrating to not understand every word that they're saying to you and completely miss the whole idea of the conversation. There was a way that I was able to get over this, and I want to share with you the most valuable thing that I learned, and this allowed me to be able to understand native speakers so much better without having to learn more vocabulary, without having to learn more words and verbs and grammar rules. I simply had one mindset shift that changed everything for me. I'm going to share it with you in this video. If you're not familiar with who I am, I was able to learn Spanish within a matter of months. If you're learning Spanish, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I put a lot of effort into these videos and I've got tons of value that I want to share with you. I've been in your shoes. I've had to learn Spanish myself, so I want to make sure that you learn as quickly as possible. So subscribe for more Spanish learning videos and for more mindset shifting videos. The simple thing that I did to sum it up is I simply stopped trying to understand every single word. This may sound counterintuitive. Think about it this way. If I'm talking to you in Spanish and I say 20 words in my sentence and you didn't understand the fifth word, if you're sitting there stuck on that fifth word trying to figure it out, you've missed the other 15 words that I just said. And by that point, you're completely lost. At the end of the day, if I say the word shoe in Spanish and you've never heard the word shoe, you don't know what it is, sitting there trying to figure it out is not going to get you to understand the word shoe. But maybe if in that entire sentence, if you had just sat back and listened to the entire context without having tunnel vision and focusing in on one single word, you would have heard about how I put things on my foot, about how I walk, about how maybe I run a lot, and then you can kind of figure out based on the context what it is that I'm talking about. But if you're so focused in on trying to understand every single word, there's really no hope for you understanding the rest of the sentences. Another big thing that I realized was that the less that I tried to understand everything, in fact, I almost faked it, like a fake it till you make it type mentality. I pretended to know and understand things even when I didn't 100% understand them. I don't know if you can relate to this, but I definitely did this when I was learning Spanish. I almost nodded my head and did the whole, yeah, thing, even if I didn't understand everything that was being said to me. It honestly took a lot of pressure off of me to not understand every single word that was being said, and for some reason it helped me learn and helped me understand more in the long run. I wasn't stressing about, oh my gosh, I have to understand every single word or else I'm not fluent. It's like, no, you can be fluent in a language without understanding every single word that's being said. I trusted the process too, that eventually I would be able to understand more, and trusting my Spanish, even if it wasn't the best at the time, just putting the trust in the work that I had done and knowing that, look, you know Spanish, you know a lot of words, and you'll understand this stuff when people are talking to you. Having that confidence in my own Spanish, it helped me understand more for some reason. So fake it till you make it. But honestly, the main point is take a step back when someone's talking to you. Take a big deep breath. Be confident that you're going to understand them, and don't try to understand every little word that's being said. Try this out in your next few Spanish conversations, because at the end of the day, if you understand the word, you know it. If you don't know the word, there's no point of sitting there trying to figure out. Chances are the context will help you out. And don't be afraid to ask someone to repeat something, or ask someone to say it slower, or even asking someone what a specific word was. Also, don't be afraid to kind of just go along with it and see if you understood it and just keep the conversation going. Trust me, there's been many times where someone said something to me, I completely misunderstood it, and I said something that had nothing to do with what they were saying, and it worked out. Or I could tell by their facial expression I did not understand it, and I'm like, wait, what did you say again? That's gonna happen to you, and just accept that it'll happen and move on. It's not a big deal. Please subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video and if you want to see more content like this. Hopefully it helps, so let me know in the comments once you tried this out whether or not it helped you. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Ciao.